Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your friends on Candy Crush Saga. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up the Candy Crush application. So just go ahead and open it up.
Now, once the application is opened up, you will see the Play and the My Account button. Just go ahead and tap on the Play button and you will now be taken to the level selector screen. Now from this screen, tap on your account icon at the very top in the middle. And this will then open up your profile page. Now from the profile page, tap on the Friends tab and you will be shown all of your friends on Candy Crush. Now in order to remove any friend, you can simply tap on their name. And then you will see three options. You can either send or request for a life, or you can unfriend this person. Just tap on the unfriend option and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to unfriend this person. Just tap on the yes button and this person will be removed as your friend on Candy Crush Saga. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove your friends on Candy Crush. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next one.